What is leading line height in graphic design typography? Imagine reading a book where the lines are so close together that your eyes feel cramped, or so far apart that the text seems disjointed. That's where the concept of leading comes into play. Leading, also called line height or line spacing, is the vertical space between lines of text in a block of typography. It is measured from the baseline of one line to the baseline of the next line. The baseline is the imaginary line on which most characters sit. In traditional printing, the term leading comes from strips of lead used to space out lines of metal type. Even though digital design no longer uses physical lead, the term stuck around because the idea of controlling space remains the same. Proper leading is essential in graphic design because it influences how easy it is to read the text and how visually appealing it looks. When the space is just right, your text feels comfortable and easy to follow. If the lines are too close, the words can blend together, making reading difficult. If they are too far apart, the flow of reading can be broken, and the text may seem disconnected. In Adobe software like Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe Illustrator, you can easily adjust the leading setting. Increasing the leading makes the lines more spaced out, which can help longer passages of text feel less dense. Decreasing it tightens the lines, giving a more compact look, which might work well for headlines or when space is limited. For example, a paragraph of text in a brochure might use a leading of around 1.5 times the font size. If your font size is 12 points, a good starting point for leading would be about 18 points. In web design, the CSS property, line height, controls the same thing. Setting line height to a number like 1.5 times the font size is common. This helps ensure your text is easy to read on screens of all sizes. When you master leading, you can make your typography look polished and professional. It helps guide the viewers smoothly from one line to the next, making your design more effective and inviting. Adjusting line spacing might seem simple, but it can dramatically improve how your text appears and how well it communicates your message.